Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Sheets app and navigating to the file with dates. Select the cells or the whole column you want to change. This targets the format only. If dates look misaligned or won't sort, make sure they are real date values rather than plain text. Convert with date value if needed. Once selected, tap the three-dot menu or format icon to reveal formatting options. This step sets up everything so the new date format applies uniformly and preserves underlying date values. Once done, open Format, then Number, and pick Date to quickly apply a preset. This is fast for common styles. If you need a specific layout, choose More Formats and then More Date and Time formats to build a pattern. You can rearrange day, month, and year, change separators like or slash, and add time if required. Make sure the locale setting matches your regional defaults, because locale controls whether month-day or day-month is used. Finish by tapping Apply, then verify that dates display correctly and sort in chronological order. Visual confirmation avoids surprises. If the format won't stick, make sure the cells truly contain dates. Text looks like a date but won't behave like one. Change locale in file settings or convert text dates with date value and paste values to lock them. If problems persist, re-enter a couple of dates to confirm expected behavior. This quick test reveals whether the issue is formatting or the data itself.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.